Vasculaze, this is how we're going to clean up the rest of our red ruddy hue. So if we have rosacea of the cheeks, we're going to start with IPL. We're going to finish with Vasculaze, which is a diode laser specifically tuned for vascular lesions like spider veins and port wine stains and telangiectasias and angiomas, right? Here's what it's not designed for is varicosities. Not designed for varicosities. So if you have a varicose vein, which I think is the next slide, you need to send those people to a friend that does vein because that's an upstream problem. It's an upstream problem that needs more intervention. So if it's a varicosity, got to look upstream. That's not us, that's somebody else. There's no disposables in any of these devices that we talked about. So IPL, no disposable. Vascular, no disposable yet. None of these have disposable, just ultrasound gel. This is specifically designed for vessels of caliber. The caliber is not as important until you start thinking varicosities, but those ones are easy to call. So rather than trying to figure out what is 0.5 to 1 millimeter, just know that if I can see a lumen, like we did on those that we cleared the foundation, but there was those little spider veins, if you can see a lumen, that's what this is specifically designed for. These are too big, robust. That's the varicosity that needs help from a friend that does vascular. It's an upstream problem that needs workup. These are perfect. And that's the immediate pre and post. You can see it blanching right away. And we'll show you some pictures, foundational evidence if you need it. Okay, so let's take a look at these pictures. This is before 9-month follow-up, 9 months later. Near total clearance. Maybe spot treat a few of these things. I always warn my patients that maintenance is very necessary because oftentimes whatever caused these in the first place, you're still doing. So whether it's crossing your legs and sitting at a desk or, you name it, whatever that caused that is likely still occurring. So maintenance is necessary. We'll get good clearance, but we may have to go back and maintain this. But